This will make your wife think about you. Non-stop, mysterious and engaging tone. Do you want your wife to think about you all day long? Do you want her heart, her mind, and her emotions to revolve around you even when you're not around? Then this video is just for you. Because today, I'm going to share powerful emotional, psychological, and practical tips that every husband should know. Build emotional connection. The first and most important thing, women don't just hear words, they feel them. Say things like, "I appreciate you. You are special to me." Small phrases like this become a constant inner voice in her heart, reminding her of you every moment. Be a good listener. Most men talk too much and listen too little. But if you want your wife to think about you non-stop, listen to her, truly, without interrupting. Just be present. Love often grows in silence, not in noise. Surprise her, not expensively, but emotionally. A surprise doesn't have to be a gift. Sometimes it's a thoughtful message, a beautiful memory, or a shared inside joke. For example, text her out of nowhere. "You crossed my mind just like the first time I saw you." That one line, she'll think about it the whole day. Include her in your prayers. Every night before you sleep, make a dua for her and let her know, "I prayed for your happiness tonight." When a woman knows that her husband not only remembers her in this world, but mentions her in front of God, she falls deeper in love. Break the routine. The same look, same words, same schedule. It can make even the deepest love feel dull. Try a new outfit, cook something she loves, or simply sit next to her, smile, and look into her eyes without saying a word. She'll replay that moment again and again in her mind. Conclusion. Remember, a wife isn't just the one who lives with you. She's the one in whose heart and mind you live. So from today, don't just be present physically. Be the one she thinks about non-stop. If you enjoyed this, like the video, share it and drop a comment. What's the one moment with your wife you'll never forget?